morning, Haru. See you then. Thank you. Beautiful weathers today. Already get sunrise.
Yeah.
And sunset. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what we're gonna catch.
Try to catch the birds.
Bird, yeah.
Rabbit.
Oh yeah. So only the dangerous animal is our bear here.
They are sleeping.
Oh, winter sleeping.
And like bear are not really dangerous for people.
Really?
Yeah, they are scared of people, so
Uh-huh.
if they can smell you, they will run away.
Oh.
Did you know that you can drink from those?
Oh yeah.
It's like really
Sure, it is.
clear water. It's safe.
Yeah, really pure.
You see, here's a rabbit.
Yes. Sometimes you check the GPS as well.
Yeah.
Those special GPS.
Yeah, so we came from here,
Uh-huh.
up here. So now we're gonna go here.
Yes.
And from here, I think we should maybe walk.
Slowly and be quiet.
Give you a chance to walk past them and then like fly after that.
Uh-huh.
So they are really wise. So
Oh
you have to
yeah.
be, like, really...
Oh yeah. So beautiful. I saw there already. Oh yeah.
Like
Yeah.
20 meters from here.
Yeah.
Quite big walk.
So you can see that.
Yeah, it's rabbit. Yeah. Legs.
Oh yeah.
And it's like first with the front legs and then the back legs after that.
It's frozen lake. Cool.
And then you want to make the fire, but you feel better if you have had a couple of beers last night.
Yeah.
Just to come to walk in the nature.
Yeah.
And it's like all gone.
Now I feel like it's kind of a real feel on nature.
Yeah. This forest, for example, nobody has like
Yeah.
cut any trees from here in like really long time.
Yes.
And when we go like a bit more that way, there are trees that are like 500 years old. So like really
Oh,
old ones.
500 years.
Yeah, and like even this one might be like 200 years, 300 years old.
Okay.
Because they don't grow really high over here. Because the growing season is so short.
Oh.
So they just grow thickness. And that also happens like really slowly. It has been like quite the same 500 years ago, like looking almost the same
Yeah, sure.
as now.
Yeah.
I've seen them many times, so let's hope there's some now
Oh,
as
yeah.
well.
Okay. So even in forest, it's no problem. Still good.
Yeah.
Wherever.
Will go off accidentally.
That's important.
Yeah. Okay, let's make a fire somewhere here.
Okay. So we need to prepare some wood, right?
Yeah, here's already a good one.
Uh-huh.
Stuff over here.
Uh-huh.
It's really flammable. Like it gets fire right away, so it's good to start the fire with that.
Okay. Smell also nice, like.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Because like this is that tree,
Uh-huh.
but it has been on the ground for like 300, 400 years,
Uh-huh.
and that's why there is like the dark stuff, the
Yes.
tar inside, and now you can like smell the tar burning,
Uh-huh.
and it's really nice smell.
Oh yeah, smells from long ago.
Yeah, yeah, it's,
You just stay in Lapland only for 3 years now.
yeah. Only 11 months now, but I've been like in Lapland
Uh-huh.
many times before,
Oh yeah.
hiking and fishing, and
Yes. You just decided to move to the Lapland
Yeah.
because you pretty much like that kind of nature.
yeah. I was living in Helsinki before,
Uh-huh.
but I really didn't like the atmosphere over there.
Oh.
People are so busy and they are not as friendly, and
Oh yeah.
it's like everybody has this mindset that you have to succeed and you have to get a good career and like you have to put all your effort into getting money and like
Yeah.
getting all that, and
Yeah, some social thing.
yeah, so I didn't really like that.
Mhm.
And like I can relate to these people way more
Mhm.
than the people in Helsinki, for example.
Yeah, like last night.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It's really good. Really sounds good. Great.
Quite a good career,
Mhm.
but then I decided that this really is not what I want to do.
Mm.
Like, I want to be free and I want to do like this
Oh, yeah.
my way. So
Sounds
I'm
good.
just working for like 1.5 day a week,
Mhm.
and then doing like everything else on the meantime. And I can decide where I can live and what I want to do, so it's the best.
Mhm. That's great. So after you moved to here, what is the most different thing for your life?
Well, I think that you don't feel busy over here. Like you can take your time, and
Yes.
so if it's okay that if you cannot do everything today, there's still time tomorrow.
Mhm.
But earlier, like I was feeling that I have to do everything today, and I'm
Oh,
really
yeah.
busy, and so.
Oh yeah.
But over here, you can like feel the calmness.
Mhm.
It's the best thing.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. I so much respect your opinion that.
So this is like almost the same as we had on.
Just similar.
Yeah. Yeah, there's like only cheese inside. Other than that is the
Supermarket. I think that.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is good.
Nice. Yeah. Nice break here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, sniper
Yeah.
thing.
So like if I see the bird
Far away?
I can use this one.
Wow.
I think 1,300 euros.
Oh,
And then
sniper one.
Yeah, and the scope, like the scope on top of it, it's like maybe 700 euros.
Oh yeah.
And that one is like, it's a really old one. I got it from my relative.
Mhm.
I think it's like I don't know, maybe like 40 or 50 years old one.
Mhm.
So that's not expensive, but it's a good one because it's an old gun, and like in everything, back in the days they used to make things like more tough, so they last longer.
Oh yeah.
So that's why it's good.
Sounds good. So especially in the autumn season, there's many other people that hunt for what? Reindeer?
Well, not reindeer.
Uh-huh.
Like you don't hunt reindeer here because like all the reindeer is owned by somebody. But I think moose hunting is the most popular thing in Finland.
Moose.
And it's like, I think there's...
What about bear?
Yeah, also bear hunting.
Oh, it's possible.
Yeah, it's possible.
Cool.
Yeah, and I can also hunt bears with this gun, but not with this.
It's very common sport.
Yeah, especially for the older people. Younger people are not doing it that much, but it's getting like slowly popular. Snow left, the marks of the wings.
Okay.
These, I think, might be some birds around. As they are white, they are really difficult to find, so you have to be lucky to see them. Like bird hunting without the dog is...
So we need the Onni now.
Yeah. Only like 6 years ago.
Oh yeah.
When he was a good hunting dog.
Yeah. No.
Like a lava place here. Sometimes like the same kind of TV we have.
Someone make a lava.
Yeah, and usually like they have left the sticks with him. But in the summertime they have the 4-wheel drive, so they don't have to like stay as long anymore. With the reindeer they can just like go check that they're okay. Like she's Koltan saamelainen. It's like from the eastern part of the Sami region. And Joni is not the Sami people anymore, so and they are still together. And it's like it's nothing special.
Normal people in Finnish people, how they like think about Sami people is.
Yeah, I think so. And actually, like we are not teach a lot about it in the school, not in the south. So
exactly like some racism for the like difference of skin something.
I don't know if there's any more, but there has been that before. There was like in the 70s a lot of that.
Okay.
But nowadays I don't know anymore. Yeah, I'm not like a Sami people myself. So all this is what I've heard from like others. So it's not my experience, but that's like the image I have gotten from the situation. Yeah. So I think you should find, especially when you go to Norway, and also maybe in Finland. Oh well, you don't have the time, but maybe at some point you should find like a real Sami person to tell you how the situation has been, so you get sort of the real answers from there.
Okay, I will ask that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Great.
thank you so much.
When it's raining, something are going like straight, and the animals are coming and licking it because they need salt.
Oh yeah, for eating.
Yeah. They come here and like lick the tree.
Yeah, we made it. Thank you so much. Bring me to in the forest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's great.
it was a great time for me too. Okay. Yeah, getting rest.
Yeah.
Very bit. Thank you again. Actually, my hunting experience, like when I was in Africa and even in Amazon, I just follow like foraging people. Yeah,